Today we will going to see Hindu newspaper analysis of 19 June 2021. Before going to be newspaper, we will study what and all content is there. First is Supreme Court refused to intervene in High Court ruling on student activities bill. Second is what needs to be done with the vaccines. Then cold freeze between US and Russia. In India looking behind the binary to the spectrum. Sale of illegal HT cotton seeds doubles and Kaziranga National Park. Third wave may hit by October. Quarter second manufacturing expectation drop. These are the 8 contents. We will going to see detail about one by one. First article is Supreme Court refused to intervene in High Court ruling on the student activities bill. 1 year back onwards we are seeing issue of CAA, Citizenship Amendment Act. On this, the Supreme Court did not intervene in the Delhi High Court decision granting bail to the student activities. CAA, the protection activities, 3 students arrested in this. The Supreme Court is not intervention in the High Court bailing of these students. We'll see detail about what happened in this. The High Court order on the June 15 would neither be treated as any proceeding nor to be relied on by the parties. The Delhi revolt, which broken out after the protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act, turned violent last year. The High Court accused the police of blurring the line between the Terrorist Act under the Unlawful Activity Prevention Act. It is clarified that the release on the respondent student activities and the bail is not being transferred at this stage. Implicit judgment shall not be treated as a precedent and may not be relied upon the any parties of the proceeding. The 3 students were granted bail by High Court. They are accused offence under the Unlawful Activity Prevention Act in connection with the Northeast Delhi revolts, which broke out after the protest against the Citizenship Amendment Act turned violent last year. The High Court accused the police blurring the line between the Terrorist Act under the Unlawful Activity Prevention Act. Here what happened means, in this revolt, the 53 people died and 700 were injured. The right to protection does not mean the right to kill and hold the bombs. The protesters were held on the preceding brief. The CA was against to the particular community. Here we have right to protect, but it's fundamental right. The right to protect we have, but it's not kill for the anyone and not harm for the any citizen. But here 3 students they involved in this revolt, they are arrested and now High Court is given bail for them. We'll see what is the Unlawful Activity Prevention Act detail. The Unlawful Activity Prevention Act is an enhancement on the Terrorist and Disruptive Activities Prevention Act, which was allowed to lapse in 1995, and Prevention of Terrorism Act was replaced in the 2014. Was originally passed in the 1967 under the Congress government held by former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Eventually, amendments were brought in under the successive United Progress Alliances government in 2014, 2018 and 2013. The Unlawful Activity Prevention Act in 1967, it is primarily an anti-terror law aimed at the effective prevention of certain unlawful activities of the individuals and associations. Its main object is to empower the state for dealing with the activities directed against the integrated and sovereignty of India. The Act assigned absolute power to the central government. It can declare an activity unlawful by way of official gazette. In this Act, the death penalty and imprisonment as highest punishment. In this Act, they can give death penalty, imprisonment of the highest punishment. In this Act, we can see both Indian and foreigners can also be charged under the Unlawful Activity Prevention Act. It will be applicable to the offenders in the same manner even if the crime is committed on the foreign land outside the India. The investigation agency can file a charge sheet within maximum of 180 days after the arrest. This duration can be extended further after the information to the court. You can see here right to protection. You can see here right to protection. It means it not be kill or harm for the anyone. Here the Supreme Court is refusing the Supreme Court refusing to intervention in the High Court ruling of student bail. In 2014 amendment, what happened means it added terrorist act to list the offenders to ban the organization for terrorist activities. Still 2014, unlawful activity refers to the action related to the cessation and the cessation of the terrorist. Following the 2014 amendment, the terrorist act was added to the list of offenders. In recent 2019 amendment, the amendment empowered the central government to designate the individuals as terrorist on the certain grounds. It empowers Director General National Investigation Agency to grant approval seizure to the or attachment of property when the case is under the investigation by the agency. It is also empower the officers of the National Investigation Agency of the rank of inspector or above to investigate cases terrorism. Earlier, the power to investigation was within the officers to the rank of deputy superintendents or a assistant commissioner of the police only. This is a detail about Unlawful Activity Prevention Act, and presently the High Court given bail to the three students who involved in the protection of CAA. Next article is what needs to be done with vaccine? Here, now present situation, everyone needed vaccination, but here some people are taking vaccination. In somewhere they are, but in some cases, many people they are facing the vaccine hesitancy. They are not ready to take for vaccination. Here we will see what is in the articles they are telling. Policy approach must strike the balance between the achievement of health goals and exigencies of supply constraints. Vaccine have proved to be effective against the SARS-CoV-2 virus in the preventing serious illness and death. The vaccine is an effective prevention of death for the COVID-19. In an article published in Natural Medicine, the analysis of data from the United Kingdom gathered between the December 1, 2020 and April 30, the alpha variant was predominant, showed that the AstraZeneca vaccine had the effectiveness of 64% of after one dose and 79% of after dose. We can see here AstraZeneca vaccine is how much its effectiveness means. If taken the first dose means it's 64% of effectiveness, and after the second dose is 79% of the effectiveness it's showing in this vaccination. The protecting against the several illness and health. Protecting against the illness and death. Vaccine data. We can see detail about vaccine data in the all over world. What and all vaccination data recorded. The Public Health England released a report that showed that the AstraZeneca vaccine had an effectiveness of 71 after one dose and 72% after the two dose in the protecting from the hospitalization due to the Delta variant. In the first report of vaccination effectiveness from the India, researchers from the Christian Medical College, Vellore, Tamil Nadu reported analysis of 8,991 staff who had the vaccinated between January 2021 and April 30, 2021, predominantly with Covishield in the Mayo Clinic proceedings. The protective effectiveness of vaccination was 92% against need to be oxygen and 94% against need to be the intensive care. This is the Indian one of the medical college report. There were no deaths, but almost 10% of those who had received one or two doses were infected. Although sequence was not available, many breakthrough infections were probably due to the Delta variant strain. We can see here in India also the vaccination effectively how it's working. They are given data about here. The detailed studied on the whether the vaccine continuing to the work. If yes, for how long and against new variant will be continue to be needed. This all they are telling the taking up vaccination how it's effectful for the against to the COVID-19 and beta variant diseases. Here we can see when vaccines seem to be so somewhere the future with no predictability on the timing or supply decision on the pandemic focus on herd immunity or the percentage of the population that needed to the infected or vaccinated order show spread infection. And you can this is the about the vaccination how it's working to the report they are telling and data they given. Here we can see some what are the goals of the about this one, the long term and short term goals. We can see control of infection in the population is a long term goal. The short term goal is the protects individuals at the highest risk and to be save lives. The death of COVID-19 shows clearly that those who are the oldest are at the greatest risk of the serve the disease and mortality with distinct stratification of the severity of the age. Followed these with comorbidities such as the diabetes mellitus and the hypertension set. The risk of severe disease and death among the younger people thought low is not a zero, and therefore when the large number of young people get infected, some of them will die even with the best medical management. Here, goal is the preventing of maximum number of such cases. The death clearly required an age of descending approach. This was indeed to strategy that was initially implemented in the India, but the opening of the age of tests has not been kept free of supply. The government has not revealed to the clear roadmap to availability of vaccination and their supply to individual state. This has highlighted the reluctancy by the government and India river information which would be help to furnishing the predictable delivery mechanism could be communicated to citizen. Here we can see the finally the government must trust its citizen and share the information that is solely available to it. A notable aspect of the pandemic is the absence of predicting data from the government. This leads to the speculative idea based poor or poorly understand information and information. The management of the pandemic has been severely infected by this lack of cleaner interpretation actionable data. We need to restore the society to normally. Good data or the ability to the measure the matter in this matter is the key. Here they are telling about who and all the facing like vaccine hesitancy. They are not ready to take vaccination. These data are producing based on these data. Here they are telling government should trust the citizen and share the information about the vaccination. That time the people will never feel agitation about vaccination. How vaccination will working effectively. We saw in this article. This is helpful for everyone. If no means then everyone take vaccination means we can fight against to the COVID-19. Can cure. Next article is cold peace. Cold peace. Here, between US and Russia, we can see here in this article the Geneva summit between US President and Joe Biden and his Russian counterpart of Vladimir Putin on Wednesday. The pragmatic tone for the engagement between the two competing powers. Biden had in the past called Miss Putin. Biden has past called a Putin killer, and relations have hit the lowest point in the recent years since the end of the Cold War. The US has accused Russia interfering in the election and launching cyber attack and criticizing shifting in internal dissent. In this article here is the cold face between US and Russia. They are talking. There are structural issues in the US-Russia ties when Russia ended its post Soviet strategy retreat and adopted more assertive foreign policy under the Ms. Putin, partly in the response to the NATO expansion into the Eastern Europe. The West saw it is a treat to its primary. The 2018 Georgia War particularly ended on the romance between democratic Russia and the West is democratic Russia and the West. The annexation of the Crimea in 2014 revealed the tension Russia and throughout of the G8 and Western succession followed by the step did not detect Ms. Putin. Tie this rock bottom after the allegation of the Russian intelligence unit had carried out the cyber attack and the online campaign into the and elected president in 2016. US elected Ms. Biden and Ms. Putin cannot be resolved these geopolitical and bilateral issues in one summit. The Cold Peace War between the US and Russia. Here they talking about term NATO. What is NATO means? North Atlantic Treaty Organization. North Atlantic Treaty Organization is a military alliance established by the North Atlantic Treaty, also called as Washington Treaty, April 4, 1949, by the United States, Canada, and several Western European nations to provide collective security against Soviet Union. America like it or not, Russia, in this we can see US should be the less pessimistic about the Russian foreign policy goals. Whether America like it or not, Russia, despite its weakened economic status, remains great power. Ms. Putin should also realize that it is a goal to be restore Russia lost glory in the global politics and ready to cooperate with West. Permanent stability with the other power cannot be much help to Russia. We have to see the cold peace between US and Russia in these articles. Next article is in India looking behind the binary to a spectrum. In this article they are talking about same sex marriage. We'll see detail about a delay in the prevention of marriage rights to same sex couple would hold up the constitution guarantee judgment. When the cases surrounding the question about same-sex marriage came up before High Court Delhi, the Union government was found to be deterring. The Solicitor General of India made himself available only to request a court have to be matter adjoining the grounds that it was not urgent. We'll see on the grounds that the government argued that the matter was not important in the context of second wave COVID-19 cases. It is overlooked at the basic nation to the person in the same sex and a relationship looking for each other without the legal protection of the marital relationship. In this article, the last 2 decades have witnessed the tremendous progress in the establishing civil rights for the LGBTQIA plus community. We see in this article, international jurisprudence in 2005 Constitution Court of South Africa in the case of Minister of Home Affairs and the Arthur versus Puri and author of Lesbian and the Gay Equal Protection and 18 others versus Minister of Home Affairs in 2005 unanimously held that a common law definition of marriage, that is national one woman, was inconsistent with the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa in 1996. Consequently, the Parliament of South Africa was given 12 months to amend the Marriage Act of 25 of 1961. Here, failing which is a Marriage Act would stand amendment by the virtue of the decision of the Constitution Court included votes. And same in the 2007 in Australia, the reform to the civil rights of query the community were promoted by the Honorable Mitchell Kirby, then Judge of the High Court of Australia, rating the Attorney General of the Australia, asking the jurisdiction pension scheme to be extended to his gay partner of 38 years at the time. After initial opposition for the federal government, same-sex relationship, equal treatment to Commonwealth law, general law, Reform Act 2008 came to be enacted by the provide equal entitlement of same-sex couples in the matter of the inter-aligned social security, employment of taxation. Similarly, England and Wales marriage same act in the couples of 2013 enabled the same-sex couples for marriage ceremonies in with the religious right. In 2005, the Supreme Court of the United States decided that the fundamental right to marry the guarantee to the same-sex couples, and next across to the world, the recognition of the unequal law discriminating against the community has enacted the trigger and reform and the modernized legal architecture to become the more inclusive and equal. We saw this much of the how other countries are giving the same-sex marriage judgment, and we'll see in the court and civil rights. In India, we can see marriage solemnized under the personal law such as the Hindu Marriage Act in 1955, Indian Christian Marriage Act of 1872, Muslim personal law like Shariat, Application Act of 1937, and so on. At present, through same-sex and the queer marriage are not clearly recognized in India. We are not judicial guidance. In the case of Arun Kumar and Sirja versus the Inspector General Registration and General Registration, the Madurai bench of High Court of the Madras employed a beneficial and purposive interpretation holding that the term bride under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 included trans women and intersex person identifying as women. Therefore, a marriage solemnized between the male and trans women, both professing the Hindu religion, intimate to be the valid marriage under the Act. The import of this is judgment cannot be overstand has expanded scope of the term used to the Hindu Marriage Act in 1955 in the progressive manner and the stage of the reimagining marriage rights of the LGBTQIA plus community. The judge of Madras High Court bill that tenant laid down to the Supreme Court to India, Shafin John versus Ashokan, KM and others. The 2018 Supreme Court 1932 came others. Here we can see Supreme Court held that the intimacy of marriage lie within a core zone of privacy which is inviolable and that society has no role to play in determining our choice of partners. Here we can see the expanding scope of marriages. The domain of marriage in religious marriages cannot be immune in the reform of reviving self-respect marriage were legalized in the Tamil Nadu through amendments to the Hindu Marriage Act of 1955. Self-respect marriage commonly conducted among those who are part of the Dravidian movement have done always with trust and religious symbols such fire or saptapadi. Here we can see here understanding needs of this community in the law must now expand the institution of marriage to be include all genders, sexual identity. At least 29 countries in the world have legalized same-sex marriage. It is time that India think behind the binary and review its existing legal architecture into the order legalize marriage, respect for gender identity and sexual orientation. In this article, they are telling like same-sex marriages how is related to the in India to the other nations, and here in India they are how they treating compared to the other countries. Next article is sale of illegal HTBT cotton seeds doubled. We can see in this article the illegal cultivation of herbicide tolerant HTBT cotton has seen a huge jump this year, with manufacturing claiming that the sale of illegal seeds packet has more doubled from the 30 lakh last year to 75 lakh in this year. Compare, you can see here last 30 lakh in this year 75 lakh, it's doubled. Industry lobbies have written to the agriculture minister demanding that action to be taken stop such sale of punishing offenders, nothing that cultivation of the genetically modified cotton variant has serious environment and economic consequence. Here, the India introduced the gene seeds of approval of genetic engineering committee by the using of HTBT seeds. But here, the cotton seeds they are selling illegally. Compared to the last year, this year it will be doubled. The HTBT cotton variant has another layer modification, making the plant resistant to the herbicide glyphosate but has not been approved by the regulators. In this year, there is a big increase in the such illegal cultivation, especially in Maharashtra, from 30 lakhs packets last year to the about 75 lakh packets this year. You can see in this article in India introduced the gene seeds required approval of the genetic engineering approval committee date of 2019 commercial release to the granted for the BT cotton, but similar approval of BT mustard and BT brinjal are still awaited. In case of the cotton, the first two generations of BT have been introduced for. You can see in the approval of in India the introduction of the GM seeds required approval of genetic engineering approval committee. This makes the crop resistant to the attack of the pink bollworm. In this article, we can see the illegal selling of these seeds and cotton is growth of more that will affect for economical and environmental consequence. We have to stop this illegal selling of cotton seeds we have to stop the illegal selling of cotton seeds. The lobbies have written the agriculture minister to demanding that the action to be taken to stop sell the punish offenders. We'll see Next is detail about what is BT cotton. The BT cotton is only the transgenic crop that has been approved by the Center for the Commercial Cultivation in India. This is commercial cultivation the India is approved. It has been genetically modified to produce an insecticides to combat the cotton bollworm, a common pest. The HTBT cotton variant adds another layer of the modification, making the plant resistant to the herbicide glyphosate, but has not been approved by the regulator. Fears including glyphosate having a carcinogenic effect as well as the unchecked spread of the herbicides resistant to the nearby plants through the pollination, creating variety of weeds. This year there will be big increase such illegal cultivation, especially in the Maharashtra. Already I told 30 lakhs packet in last year about the 75 packet, 30 lakhs about the last year and the now 75 lakh in this year. Farmers are at risk with the such illegal cotton seed sale and there is a no accountability of that quality of seeds. It pollutes the environment. The industry is losing legitimate seeds and sale. The government also loses revenue in the terms of tax collection. This is about detail about BT cotton. Next article is forest guard kill tiger in accidental firing. In this article, we will see about Kaziranga National Park detail. A tiger was killed by accidental firing of the forest guard in the Kohar range of the Kaziranga National Park on this Friday. And inquiring it was found that the tiger died due to the bullet wound. About Kaziranga National Park is very important. Where it's located? It is located in the state of Assam and cover 42,996 hectares. It is the single largest undisturbed and representative area of the Brahmaputra Valley floodplain. It was declared as a national park. It was declared as a national park in 1974. It has been declared a tiger reserve since 2007. It has a total tiger reserve area of 1030 square kilometer within a core area of 430 square kilometer. Declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. It was recognized as an important bird area and bird life international. It is the home of the world's most one-armed rhinos. We can see here this home of the world's most one-armed rhinoceros. This is declared as a national park in 1974 and it's declared as a World Heritage Site in 1984 and it is declared as a tiger reserve since 2017 and it is a total tiger reserve area of 1030 square kilometer. Here is in this article forest guard kill tiger by accidentally firing. Remember about Kaziranga National Park where it's come and detail about this national park is important. Next article is third wave may hit by October. Already we know facing second wave COVID-19 crisis and October third wave will going to come. The third wave of COVID-19 is infection is likely to be India by October. Although it will be better controlled than the latest outbreak, the pandemic will remain public health threat at least another year, according to the Reuters poll of medical experts. Here, already we faced about first and second wave. And in this first and second wave, many economic losses happened, many lives, and everyone knows how we suffered for first and second wave. In this third wave, going to be before outbreaking of third wave, you have to take care of the better control should be take of the third wave. The venture of reduction over 85% of respondents on 21 and 24 said in the next wave will be hit of October, including 3 who forecast it earlier in the August and 12 in the September. The remaining 3 said third wave would be occur between November to February. They are like telling about third wave when it will occur. Over 70% of experts they are telling the new outbreak would be better control compared with the current one, which has been for more devastating with the shortage of action, medicine, oxygen and hospital beds than the smaller first surgery in infection last year. It will be more controlled as the cases will be much less because more vaccination would have been rolled out and there would be some degree of natural immunity for the second wave. We have to see in this article already first wave is completed, now we're facing in the second wave. Before going to be the third wave come, we have to be taken care of ourselves and we have to be before going to come third year, you have to be careful about the medicines, vaccinations, and medical facilities. Everything have to be settled and very arrangement. How much will lose us economically? That one should not happen in future. Next article is quarter second manufacturing expectation drop. Here, RBI's Industrial Outlook Survey showing that not only as the summary index of the current business condition for the manufacturing sector dropped for the new current quarter, but also the index of expectation for the second quarter of the financial year of 2022 as declined as per the observation made by the member of RBI Monetary Policy Committee. The Monetary Policy Committee is earlier this month, the RBI and the released the Monetary Policy Committee. These perceptions business condition point to the adverse economic condition compared to the sentiments at the end of the quarter 4 per financial year of 2021. While data on the impact of the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic was limited, qualitative data from the survey of the households and enterprises suggested significant dent in the consumer and business sentiment. The survey of the consumer conference conducted by the RBI in the last week of the April and May 10 in the 13 major cities revealed the sharp rise of percentage of the respondents who pursue the current general economic condition to be worse than the year back compared to the similar survey conducted 2 months back. 2 months back, here they are telling the Monetary Policy Committee had moved to the data-based guidance given that the expectation of forecast of such uncertainties and reviewed the echoed by the follow and reviewed. And Monetary Policy Committee must be sensitive to be risk the inflation expectation could become the entrenched if inflation remains elevated for too long. In this article, they're talking about the RBI Industrial Outlook Survey of Monetary Policy Committee. Quarter second manufacturing expectations are drop out in this COVID-19 cases. Already we saw last few days back how inflation is happening. This is today in the newspaper analysis. Thank you for watching. Start from basic learn until death. Keep learning.